Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Sai Khandekar and welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I know it's really difficult if you have to come up with a new tiffin recipe every day for yourself, your husband and the children. So I'm here along with some of India's most loved chefs to bring you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana and oatmeal muffins. These are absolutely perfect for a midday snack. तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन। This recipe is packed with high fiber and protein. Let's see how to do it. About 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour, which is just atta basically, a 1/4 cup of maida, and to this I'm going to add some bran. Now the bran is basically what you get when you sieve your whole wheat flour. We'll add about a cup of rolled oats. Along with that, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, tiny pinch of salt. Give it a good mix again. And to this, I'm going to add some dry fruit and nuts. So I've got some flaked almonds going in. I've got some apricots, finely chopped, and I've got some raisins. Now give all these dry ingredients a good mix and keep this bowl aside. And I'm going to take another one and mix all my wet ingredients. By wet ingredients, I mean a good cupful of slightly overripe mashed bananas, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I say 2 to 3 because it really depends on how sweet you like it at home. And the magic ingredient is Strawberry Blast Jam. And the jam is going to give you a really authentic strawberry taste to the muffins. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm also adding about a 1/4 cup of milk. Give it a really nice mix. Now I'm just going to get the flour mix that we had made earlier and mix everything together. And you can see how colorful it's looking already. Now I already have some muffin liners ready. I'm going to spoon the batter into these. You want to fill the muffin cases at least half the way up so you get a nice and tall muffin. My oven is already preheated to 170 degrees. I'm going to pop this in for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. I'm just going to go and check on my muffins now. They're perfectly golden brown. My kitchen smells amazing and they're nice and springy to the touch, which means they're ready. I'm going to let them cool for a while and pack the rest of the ingredients in the tiffin. So today I've got some simple chutney sandwiches and some cashew nuts. And I'm going to pack 2 muffins because they make for a nice filling snack, and you know, kids love to share. And that's it. Our tiffin is ready for today. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, do leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to be back tomorrow with one final recipe for the week, and I'm going to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.